Let's go ahead and pull this off the printer. So I had a situation where the toilet actually, where the toilet handle actually broke the little flusher. So this is what you think it is. This is actually the toilet lever. Not the prettiest, but I do believe it'll work for now. So, yeah, snap. Just making sure all this.
How long did the print take?
This print was like 4 hours. All right. Let's go see if it'll work.
Okay, so Joe put this little thing here just for me temporarily. It's really cool. Watch. Okay, so now Joe is going to be installing the 3D printed toilet components right here. He's taking off the old one, and you can see it's really old and really rusty. He has to deal with the threading on the 3D printed component here, and he actually had to go in and put glue on it so it would fit better. That is the handle for the toilet. It actually has a really odd feel to it after he installed it. Yeah, so he's screwing it on. He's realizing that it doesn't fit tight, so he needs to put glue on it.